Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure machine learning with DataRobot, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your DataRobot account. Navigate to the project dashboard. Begin by selecting a new project. Upload your dataset. Ensure that your data is clean and well structured. Review the data types recognized by DataRobot. Make any necessary adjustments to the data types. Once satisfied, click on the Start the Project button. Select the appropriate target variable for your machine learning model. Review the options for data pre-processing. Enable any specific security settings available for your project. Proceed to the modeling options. Set your model deployment preferences. Familiarize yourself with the governance features provided by DataRobot. Review the compliance requirements relevant to your project. Integrate DataRobot's security protocols into your workflow. Monitor access and permissions within your project team. Conduct regular audits to ensure adherence to security measures. Test your machine learning model for potential vulnerabilities. Evaluate the performance of the model against your defined metrics. Adjust the model as necessary based on your findings. Once satisfied, proceed to deploy the model securely. Ensure that model updates follow the established security protocols. Regularly review and update your security settings as necessary. Stay informed about new security features and best practices from DataRobot. Finalize documentation for your project to record all security measures taken. Prepare a resource for team members detailing how to maintain security moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.